So for those that have been following along with my capacitively loaded vertical ground plane experiment, I am really pleased that it doesn't appear to have lost any of its effective radiated power by actually tuning at the station rather than the antenna, and having made that change it opens it up to operate higher bands too. Now the vertical element is physically 14 meters long, although its longest element, that is 14 meters long, is electrically 3 times that length. Now there is one more thing I want to try with this experiment, is to get rid of the vertical element and simply add a large torus and see how that goes, because of course that will also be a high impedance element, and it will project, from my observations, I know it's going to sound nutty, but it projects out in the E field, which is like storing in a capacitor, except it's using the outside world for that temporary E field storage, and as that collapses down it creates a very sudden back EMF, which will then go to the radials. So I suspect that will work well, and if it does, then I can fully redesign a concept where I have a coax going up to the antenna, heavy choking, and then feeding a torus and using a tuner at the station, and then have, before the choking, a connection to radials that go down the coax, even if they're vertically down the coax, and radials of different lengths for different bands. And then it will be a small, compact, in comparison, antenna that can do the multi-bands and efficiently, if I am correct, and the vertical element will be replaced by a large torus. So I'll get to that in the near future, and I'll update if it's worth bothering updating on. 17, thanks for watching.